Okay, so it's Monday, March 18th, 2019, and we're back on my sister-in-law's bike. We're really going to start flying, get some of the stuff done because we got some good weather coming and we're not waiting. So, yeah, so I'm going to get to work on this thing. We're going to start doing some electronic work back in the flat. Oh, and also, yeah, we got some parts. You know, I got some brake pads because these bikes need some serious stopping power and got some shifters. So, okay. Okay, so it's Monday, March 18th, 2019, and my sister-in-law's bike is operational, and so check this out. Boy, that's a sweet little motor, man. That's pretty nice. Okay. And man. Oh, almost caught a finger. Dangerous. That motor is really sounding nice. And so it's, let's see what time it is. I think it's every bit at 8 o'clock. 8:40. Oh, my brother called. Oh man, oh, it's all falling apart now. So hey, we're gonna wrap this up, and I'm gonna post the video. Yeah, one more time, quick. All right, so we're gonna call it a night, and yeah, it's running. So there it is. I just want to try this little trick one more time, just for you know, if you've been watching my videos, you know these things are super magnets. They hold my my batteries on both of my e-bikes. So check this out. I'm just not throwing it hard enough, man. I tried it off camera first, and you just have to get it close, but according to the video, I'm not throwing them hard enough. So, look at that, see? Super magnets. Hoo! Dangerous. Don't get your finger between that stuff, man. It'll bite your finger right off. Hoo! One more time, and then I got to get to work. Super mag. Oh, come on, there we go. Love that new camera with the autofocus. Hoo! Magnetism is just like science projects, science class all over again. Ho! All right, one more time. This is the last time. I'd try a bigger one, but you know I don't want to scratch what good paint I got left on this thing. All right, let's try this. Ho! Ho! Dangerous magnet. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna hurt my bad thumb. Watch. Alright, one more time and then I gotta get to work. Seems to be going towards that center one. Ah, oh. Yeah, I don't mind that cut. That's just from a belt sander or magnet accident. Okay. Alright, that's our little demonstration on super magnets.